Welcome back to UX Revamp channel. If you are new to this channel, please tap on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss our updates. Today we are thrilled to unveil the refreshed RSS annual reports webpage, redesigned for clarity, culture and connection. So get ready to dive into the year-wise reports, enhanced visuals and easy navigation like never before. Let us see the old annual reports page and its issues and limitations. First, we observe that the annual reports navigation link is not properly categorized. It should be placed under the Know Us menu or at the footer. But it's currently located under the Tags menu, which is incorrect. Anyhow, let's discuss about this page. First, layout and structure. A flat grid cards for each report without a strong hierarchy or categorization. Lack of visual flow. The user had to scroll and literally hunt for specific year report. No intuitive filtering. All years and reports were shown together, that creating visual overload. Second thing, visibility concerns. Difficult to scan chronological order reports. No left side filter panel or navigation aids for year-wise browsing. Older and newer reports were mixed, reducing clarity and accessibility. Third one, visual design. Outdated card design with minimal visual styling or hierarchy. Lack of branding, consistency and visual engagement. It looked more like a CMS backend than a public facing section. Now let's witness the new design and look at the transformation of the annual reports page. First point, clean year-wise navigation. We introduced a left vertical panel for year-wise navigation, which creates logical segmentation for users to easily jump to the year they are interested in. Improves user control and reduce unnecessary scrolling. Second point, focused report display. Once year selected, only that year report is displayed on the right column with detailed context and visuals. Better space utilization. Report content on the left and a cover poster on the right. Cleaner fonts, wider margins and improved padding, making it modern and readable. Third point, visual integrations. Right side includes a large poster related to the report content, adding emotional and visual weight. The design feels inspired by print culture, giving it a formal and ceremonial touch. Last point, functional enhancement. Added share and download buttons under each report. This simplifies interaction and allows user to spread or save content easily. This redesign intent respects the cultural legacy of RSS while modernizing the experience for today's digital readers. It invites clarity, reverence and usability all in one elegant annual report interfaces. Let's see the design transformation key points before and after. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any suggestions, please comment us. It will help us to improve our designs. If you love UI UX and want to see more redesigns breakdowns, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's create better digital experience together. I will see you in next revamp design.